This is my one wire charger using this power supply in the off position, in the either one negative or positive, going to the circuit. And this is a 450 volts, 470 microfarad, and this is the Igor with the neo magnet in the center. So you see at the corner have the cap, and this is the charging rate. So this one can replace the solar. That means it's hybrid, using the induction of this transformer, which is switch off. And as you can see, I will charge the battery with this one. You see the start. Okay. No start. But now this is charging this battery. Replacement for those who cannot afford solar panels. So it's a hybrid system. You still need the utility company, but for the induction only. Other than that, everything is free. Okay, hope you like this. So this one is the one discussing the Akola 30 watts circuit. Okay,